We did it. We hit 1,000 views on one video. Thank you. No, kidding. No, not kidding. We actually had 1,000 views on one of my videos. This is great. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everything you guys have done. You've literally lit a fire under me now. I actually want to put out so much more content now because of that, and I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. This is gonna be pretty fun. As a small YouTuber, I didn't wake up one morning and think this is gonna be easy. I actually thought it was gonna be really hard, and it is really hard. I know people talk about the different secrets of ways to get to 1,000 followers or how to get monetized and this and that, but it's not as easy as you think it is. I mean, the fact that you have to do the video and then you have to edit the video, then you have to color grade the video, then you have to do all the cuts in the video and that kind of stuff. There's a learning curve there. And as a photographer, I didn't really learn video until just recently, so I'm actually getting better at it, and this is giving me a really good opportunity, as well as, of course, reels, and you got the TikToks and you got the shorts. All these things are helping to develop my video skills, which is really cool. If you ever want to check out some of my videos on IG or on TikTok, my stuff is below. Before I start talking about the DJI Air 2S, did you guys hear about the Nikon Z9 that just came out with 8K video? Crazy. It's just under $6,000. Wow. But I saw the specs. I've heard only good things about this camera so far. They beat everybody to the game, and I know there's a lot of Sony guys in here that are watching videos with me right now, and I know there's a lot of Canon guys that are watching videos right now, watching my videos right now. But 8K, wow. I mean, I know people that are still watching video in 10K. There's very few things out there that have 8K. Is there any TVs that have 8K? Yeah, there probably is. But still, like 8K, I'm impressed. I'm actually very impressed that Nikon was the first to come out with this. They've been kind of slow to a lot of things. I mean, I have the Z2, and to go from the D850 that didn't have eye detection to have eye detection now on my camera, it's like night and day. I think that was literally the only thing that was making my camera feel obsolete when I had the D850. Now this camera feels so in the world of other cameras, so I feel a lot better walking around with this camera, and it's much lighter and much more easier to use. I find there's a lot of little simple things on it, and it's familiar. So today we're going to be talking about I'm actually be talking about my DJI drone Air 2S. Yeah, I bought one. I bought a DJI Air 2S drone, and I have not flown it yet. And I bought it about a month ago. Crazy, I know. So I bought a drone. I did it. That's exactly what I did. We spoke about this earlier in some of the other videos. I spoke about that I was going to buy a drone and I was going to go through the lessons and figure it out. I've been studying, and there is a lot of work to do with it. I have the DJI Air 2S, and as most of you guys know, there is a weight requirement in Canada in regards to what drones need to be registered, what drones don't need to be registered based on their weight, the age, of course, and all that kind of stuff. So the drone I have, I wanted it particularly for photos, specifically weddings. I really want to get into not necessarily the wedding game, but I definitely wanted to get into helping photographers that need video assistance or air assistance in regards to those type of photos. And I thought it would be a great idea. I also wanted to try my hand a little bit at real estate photography. So I went out there, found a drone school, did some lessons. I passed my basic so far, passed it with I think 75%. So I did good. And I only did a few lessons to get that 75%. So I was quite happy with that. Took a chance, went right for it, and I would have did my advanced course and failed miserably. But I didn't stop. I studied some more, and I went back and I failed again. I don't get it. It is hard. So for all my Canadians that want to do the drone basic and advanced test, I suggest you study. It is no joke. It's 50 questions. You have an hour to do these questions. It's multiple choice. It's open book. It should be simple, but there's some things in there that are very tricky. I think reading through the forums and just reading other things about the test, a lot of people are saying the same thing. There's a lot of trick questions in there that just makes it that much more difficult regarding what you need to learn and what you don't need to learn. There's so much information that they can throw in there. And of course, you'd think that you do one test, if you do the second test, the same questions will come up. They don't. They probably have 20 versions of the same test with different questions on it. So there's no chance of you actually going back and getting the exact same test you did last week. You have 24 hours to redo the test, or you have to wait 24 hours before you can redo the test, which doesn't make it difficult, but it makes it a little bit harder, because if I could do the test that same time, like an hour later, I think I would get it. Like, my brain's still fresh, I'm still kicking, but to go away, to sleep on it, to come back again, you literally have to restudy it all over again to get that information. So that was my only struggle. But with that being said, the DJI Air 2S looks amazing. I love how it looks, but guess what? I haven't flown it yet. I don't even know why. I just haven't flown it, and I need to get out there. So with the basic license that I have, or certification I have all my codes I have on it. I have my registration number there. I just need to take it outside. I have a 2-year-old. It's a little bit hard. I have a baby on the way, so it's been a little difficult trying to work everything in the right spots, and then trying to get the drone out while still doing photography. So I'm hoping to be able to do it. I'm hoping in the next couple of weeks. I think that'd be very cool. So if that works out, I'll have the drone in the air. I'll give you guys some pictures, so you guys will see some pictures of what I've done and how it's working. I think I have a propeller here that's upside down. I could be wrong. Nope, I am wrong. So it is correct. But yeah, if you have flown a drone, or you have any interest in how this drone works, or you know other YouTube video guys that have done very well with the drone, let me know. Put in the comments below what interest you have in the drone Air 2S, and maybe I'll do a video on that as well. I got the combo pack, so I have all the filters as well. I'm really looking forward to doing it. I've turned it on, I've updated it. It's updated, not the latest one, not the latest version that just came out, I think a couple of weeks ago, but the one before that. I'm really excited about flying this drone. It's going to be ecstatic. I'm very ecstatic. I think just a matter of figuring out exactly where I'm going to fly it. I have all my mapping, and I know the area that I live, that I can fly the drone in the right spot without getting in trouble. I think it's just a matter of just getting that little time away so I can fly it. And I have 3 batteries, so I'm assuming that's about half an hour per battery. Drone goes in the air, comes back. Yeah, let's say 20 minutes. So I'll probably have about a little less than an hour to do what I need to do to have some fun. I heard they have live video. I might even do a little live. We'll see how that works. But that seems like a headache, mistake as well. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So as I said, anybody have any kind of questions about the drone or what the price was? I got it on sale at Best Buy at the time. So I would recommend definitely doing that if you can do that. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Let me know. I'm looking forward to talking to you guys more about it. And hopefully I have a drone video for you in my next shoot. Let me know. Thank you.